We all want to save time and money, but that's often easier said than done. For wineries, breweries, and distilleries, there are some tools that can streamline your operations and help you invest in the future of your business. From tracking the growth of grapes or hops, to batch planning, inventory packaging, bottling, and dispatch, beverage management software is designed to improve efficiency and productivity. For example, you might consider investing in an enterprise resource planning software, or ERP for short, which automates many of the manual processes that take up your time and energy. They can help with tasks like recording, reporting, storing data, payroll and accounting communications, and often overall management insights to help you make better decisions. Most of these solutions are cloud-based, meaning the information is stored online and is easily accessed from your device, app, or web browser. A hurdle some businesses face in this area is the price point, with many generic ERP systems offering solutions that require constant maintenance. This is why you must be intentional when deciding on a provider. Luckily, there are solutions tailored to distilleries and breweries and wineries that reduce the need for tailoring and lowering overall costs. Depending on your needs, these solutions can be used for inputting data about ingredients, managing grower contracts or visibility of tank capacity, process management, and job tasking through the manufacturing process. Many of these industry-specific solutions also allow you to add test results or taste profiles to the batches as they move through the production process. For integration process, you need to check that your chosen solution is compatible with the systems such as your accounting platform or customer relationship management, CRM. So, discuss your operations with the potential ERP providers before making a decision. Most smaller businesses begin with simple tracking tools like spreadsheets, but this can become time-consuming and difficult as your business will grow and you'll take on more staff or export more products. So, when considering adopting one of these systems, identify your goals. It may take some time to set up and learn to use, but one of the solutions becomes a part of your process, digital solutions offer major improvements, especially in aspects like contract management for growers, service providers, team tasking and management, cost allocation, temperature checking, or waste reduction. But to get the most out of them, you'll need to take the time to integrate them into your operation. So, do your research. You don't need to replace your current systems, but you'll want to ensure they'll work with your other packages. Think about your goals for the future, and if you want to eventually start a wine club, it isn't too early to ensure your solutions can house that function. Most vendors are open to having a detailed conversation about whether the solution will suit your needs. So put aside some time, go through everything you require, and make sure you're both on the same page. Now, it's worth doing the work up front, so once your system is up and running, you're just left to do what you do best. Check out the different vendors in the learning summary to find specific examples of systems for winery and distillery management as a starting point for your own research.